He's a tricky one to introduce because he's that talented and that charming and that lovely. This man, Fred again. Crazy.
So, I feel very honored to be in the room. This feels like a very special time for all of us. This man is extraordinarily talented across the board. Sold out US tour, sold out European tour. Coachella, smashed it, what? Yeah, okay. This is truly a piece of Boiler Room history, guys. I'm super honored to be introducing such a talented man. You're gonna be seeing him mix, play it in live, all of that. So, let's see how energetic you can be, guys. When I say Fred, I want to hear you say it again. Fred! Again. Fred! Again. Fred! Again. Fred! Again. Fred! Again. Introducing Fred again for Boiler Room!